two construction workers killed early this morning after they fell 7 stories from some scaffolding while they were working at a hotel in Orlando. This is real close to Disney. Now, a third worker, listen to this, that third worker was able to hang on and climb to safety. Fire Rescue says there were about 18 workers total on this scene. When they got the call at about 4:15 this morning, the workers were working at the top of the hotel, and it was actually above the 6th floor. That's where they were pouring some concrete. Unfortunately, the support structure they were on gave way, and that's what sent those workers plummeting to their deaths. That third worker was able to get to safety, as we said, and sustained minor injuries. This is a breaking news situation. We are working to get you some updates. We'll let you know as soon as we have some more information.